Hi, little readers. Welcome back. Now, let's do our digraph rap.
Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right.
So, we have the same 2 letters for our digraph this week. It's again O and O, but this time it's the longer sound. It's oo, oo. It has the same action, it has the same song. So we go ooh, 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 ooh. Shall we do it? Yes, let's sing it again. Why don't we?
Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo?
Good. There you go. Now, let's have some words with the long oo sound. Ready? Okay. So, first word. Oo. D. Again. Oo. D. Food. Food. Next word. Ooh. Again. Ooh. What is it? Easy. Zoo. Zoo. Okay. Next. Again. Moon. Moon. Next is oh. Oh. Pool. Pool. And let's go Halloweeny. Let's do ooh, b, and ooh. So what is it? Boom. There. Now it's time for your solo work. And as always, I will help you do the action, but you have to sound out the letters by yourself and read the words. Okay? Okay. Let's go with some longer words. But we'll start with the easy ones. Okay, first. Again. What is it? Room. Room. Nice. Okay, next. Again. So, you got this? Zoom. Right, zoom. Now, let's have another one. One more time. Part of a house, it's the roof. Roof. Okay, so ready for the longer words? Yes, go. B. Again. What is it? Bloom. Bloom, like flowers. And then we have One more time. You sit on this. Yes, it is a stool. Stool. Okay. And last word for the day is again. Part of a plant? What is it? Roots. Roots. I am so proud of you because now I know that you can read all of these words and so with the other digraphs. Goodness. You will be reading sentences very soon. And I love it. I hope you love it too. This has been Miss Ching. And if you like this, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next digraph. Bye.